March is a funny month on Amazon KDP. It's right after the big New Year rush, right before summer trends start showing up, and this is exactly where a lot of people get it wrong. They either publish books that were already saturated back in January, or they guess what might work next, and end up with a book that never really gets a chance to be seen by potential customers. So today, we're not guessing. This video is called The Best KDP Books to Create and Sell on Amazon in March. And today I'm gonna walk you through the types of books that actually make sense right now based on demand, timing, and what people are already buying. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to focus on this month, and more importantly, why these types of books give you a better shot at getting seen and hopefully getting sold. These are books that aren't just popular, but they're practical, realistic, and doable, especially if you're building or growing your own KDP business. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first KDP book to create and sell on Amazon in March 2026 is going to be the St. Patrick's Day coloring book. Now, this is a big holiday in this month, and as you can see, not too competitive here. Total results only 450, and we see from Titan's quick view the niche score 52. Titan's Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 7, so everything looks good there. And then when we take a look at the books on the first page, this whole first row right here, you can see ranking very, very well. This book is ranked at 207,000. The next book, 21,000, 28,000, 40,000, 111,000. And when we take a peek at the estimated royalties, you can see right up here, a couple $100 per month, $100 to $150, $400 to over $600 per month. Same with this one, doing very well, and rightly so, because this is a seasonal type of book. And as you can see, dominated here by bold and easy type of coloring books. Next row, still ranking very well, 159,000, 35,000, 165,000, 300,000, 68,000. And I noticed a lot of these books also directed towards kids. And if we go on to the next row, just a lot more examples, 300,000, 43,000, 63,000, 300,000. Now, if we take a look at this book, this is the St. Patrick's Day gift for kids coloring book with cute leprechauns, rainbows, shamrocks, pots of gold, lucky charms. Now, this book is for kids right here, ages 1 to 5, priced at $9.99 and 100 pages. So this book is going to have about 40 to 50 illustrations. And when we take a look at the sample, as you can see, very simple cover. And then the first page is basically the color-in version of the cover. Now, when we look at the interiors, you can see very simple interiors, definitely can be created with AI, not very hard to do. Some design on the bleed through pages, and then another page of the interior with some clovers here. And then on the back cover, a few more pages of the interior, and just a very standard type of St. Patrick's Day coloring book. But notice the characters being used are the same right here, and then the style remains the same, meaning you notice the lines all remain the same from page to page, and just the whole coloring book style is very cohesive. So that is one thing you want to do when you're creating coloring books. Now, when we take a look at this book's bestsellers rank, 43,000 currently, so that's good for 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $400 to over $600 per month, all coming from a single book. And this was just recently published. So here's an example of a book that just recently published, can still rank very fast, do very well. So there's really no reason not to be pursuing these types of seasonal books, especially when it's not really that complicated to make this type of coloring book. Now, if you do want help creating these types of coloring books, I've linked some coloring book prompts down below, the ones that I use to create my own coloring books. And all you really have to do is just plug them into AI, and AI will help create your books for you. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the links down below. The next KDP book to create and sell on Amazon in March is going to be the Bold and Easy Easter coloring book. Now, total results 424, so not very competitive here. And then Titan's quick view, you can see demand is a 5, opportunity is a 7, with a niche score analysis of 51. Looking through the first page, you're going to see 156,000 ranking, 48,000, 14,000, 561,000, and 24,000. Now this niche is going to be mixed in with some bigger publishers. For example, this one right here and this one right here. However, there's going to be a lot of opportunity here to do very well because it is a seasonal niche. So there's always going to be potential here. But as you can see, they all look very much alike. And you can see the royalties up here. Look at this one, $1,300. It's almost $2,000 per month in estimated royalties. And same with this one right here, Spring Vibes. Now going through the next row, we have this book, 21,000. This Cozy Easter ranked at 37,000. Easter coloring book. Spring Bold and Easy coloring book ranked at 154,000. And just going down the list here, 154,000, 200,000, 41,000. Now, when we take a look at this book, this one's titled Spring Vibes, but it also includes Easter designs, as you can see right here with the bunny and the egg, as well as this basket of Easter eggs right here. Now this one has only 30 coloring pages, not very long at all, only 64 pages in total length. Priced though at $9.99, but when you look at the reviews, 4.8 out of 5, mostly a 5-star, which basically means the type of customers that buy these types of books don't really care how many pages are in it, as long as the interiors are what they're looking for. Here are some of the interiors on the back page. Here's a bicycle with some flowers. Here's a bee right here. And then some water boots in a puddle. So very spring vibe, very Easter vibes. And this book with the bestsellers rank of 24,545. Currently 30-day royalties estimated around $600 to over $1,000 per month. Not too bad coming from one single book. Now, the next KDP book to create and sell on Amazon in March is going to be this Bible Stories coloring book for kids. Now, total results a little bit more competitive, but not too bad. 1,488 other books here to compete with. Niche score 57, Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is a 6. Now, going through the first page here, all 5 of these books are not independently published, but they are still ranking very well. But when we get to the second row here, this is where the KDP books start to appear. Here's one right here, 300,000 rank. Here's another one, 52,000 ranking. Another one right here, a Bible activities and coloring book for kids ranked at 35,000. This one, 100,000. And this one right here, a coloring and activity book for girls with Bible verses and Christian images, ranked at 20,816. Now, when we take a look at this example, Bible coloring book for kids, Bible Stories, this one has 40 illustrations and priced at $9.99, which is typically what I see a lot of books priced at these days when it comes to coloring books, and total length 89 pages. Now, if you're gonna create this type of book, the key is to be very accurate with the stories from the Bible. And that is probably the biggest thing with this. You want it to be completely accurate, but as you can see, looks very good here. This is the back cover with some interiors. Now this one looks like it was made by AI, but it looks very, very good, very cohesive. The characters stay the same and the style remains the same. So very cohesive book. Now this book with the bestsellers rank 52,531. Currently 30-day royalties are around $300 to over $400 per month estimated. Now I have shown how to create this type of book on ChatGPT using some simple prompts like this one right here. And as you can see, it turns out very, very good. This is coming from a prompt list, of course. You can see the style stays the same, even the font type stays the same, but different type of scene here, obviously, with the Bible verse and then another one. So if you're interested in creating this type of book easily with ChatGPT, I'll leave the prompt list for these Bible verse coloring books down in the description below. Now, the next KDP book to create and sell on Amazon in March is going to be the Easter dot marker book. Now, total results 161, so not very competitive at all. This is just a very simple dot marker activity book that I've shown many times on my channel. And as you can see already, a bestseller right here, ranked at 384. The one right next to it ranked 49,000. This one 53,000. This one 77,000. And this one 82,000. And then next row, still very good BSRs, 24,000 BSR with the bestseller. Next row, 188,000, 300,000. Now, this type of book isn't very long, and it's probably one of the easiest types of books to create. And honestly, you could probably do this by yourself without the help of AI. And as you can see with the title, Happy Easter Dot Markers Activity Book, ages 2+, toddler, preschool kids. But $9.99 is the price point, 72 pages overall. So I would say about 30 to 35 images, and 4.6 overall out of 5 stars. 79% is a 5 star. So obviously the interiors of this book are pretty good. But when we actually take a look at the interior, you're going to see how simple this is. On the back cover here, you can see some illustrations and then just some circles inside those illustrations. Basically, what you can do is you can find illustrations on places like Creative Fabrica that I've linked down below. It's what I use. You can also create these with AI. And then what you do is you can bring them onto Canva and just put these circles in there. And it's as simple as that. When we look at the bestsellers rank, 53,998. That is good for 30-day royalties, about $300 to over $400 per month, all coming from a very, very simple book. Now, the next KDP book to create and sell on Amazon in March is going to be this butterfly coloring book for kids. Now, this is alongside Easter and spring. Butterflies are very big this time of year. Total results 793, so not too competitive. Titans Quick View gives a niche score of 51. And then the Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. Going through the books here, you can see right here, 59,000 BSR, 88,000, 53,000, and this one right here, 5,000 BSR. You can peep the estimated royalties right here, $400 to over $600 per month. And this one, look at this, $3,000 to over $5,000 per month in estimated royalties, all coming from a single book. That's pretty incredible. Some more examples here, 47,000 BSR, and then this one, 123,000 BSR. This one, My Pretty Coloring Book, Flowers, Butterflies, 36,000 BSR. So obviously a lot of opportunity here. Now, when we take a look at this example, this is a coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8 with super cute butterflies and flowers for girls. Now, this one, 108 pages. So this one's going to have 50 coloring pages inside. Once again, priced at $9.99 and a 4.8 out of 5 rating, 86%. A 5 star. And when we look at the interior, as you can see, just some simple, very cute butterflies with flowers, another page here, and then on the back cover, 6 pages of the interior. So a very simple concept, but doing very, very well with a bestsellers rank of 59,000. So we can see 30-day royalties anywhere from $200 to almost $400 per month, estimated, all coming from a single book. Now, if you want help getting these types of books made in a simple, straightforward way, I've linked some coloring book prompt lists down below that you can use to start generating pages without having to stare at a blank screen. They're designed to save you some time and take a lot of the guesswork out of the creation process. And if you're still putting your whole KDP system together, make sure to grab my KDP royalty roadmap. It's completely free and it'll walk you through the exact process of going from idea to published book step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.